Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Appetizers are fun to make, plus they set the tone for the main course. I have many recipes on the website, and here's one that is very nice to look at without being pretentious. It is my Tuna Stuffed Lemons. They are a delicious starter that can be served for a casual or formal setting. They're easy to make and so cute. So let's get cooking. We'll start by prepping the lemons, which are our food vessels. First thing is to thinly slice the bun so they can sit upright. Next is to cut the tops, enough so they can make a little cap, and you'll see why later. Then we'll empty the lemons, using a knife to cut around before finishing with a spoon. I like using my grapefruit spoon as it has a serrated edge plus a pointy tip, making it easier to remove the flesh. We'll remove as much as we can, going in a few times to clean it up, and we should end up with something like this. We'll discard the flesh and reserve the juice for later. Now, let's make the filling. In a mixing bowl, we'll add a can of tuna that has been drained, some cream cheese, I'm using light but full fat is fine too, a tablespoon of roasted red peppers finely chopped, some mayo. If you want to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen, as well as this controversial ingredient, Miracle Whip. I explain on the blog the difference between mayo and this one and why I'm using it, so check it out. We're not done yet. We'll also add fresh chopped dill and then hot paprika, enough to give a little zip to the mixture. We'll stir very well until nicely blended before adding a little bit of lemon juice and then mix again. We'll continue adding a little at a time until we reach our desired taste. And let's not forget to add ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. When we're happy with the seasonings, we'll divide our mixture in half and fill up our little guys. We'll place the caps on. They're so cute. And we're ready to eat. And my friends, these are our Tuna Stuffed Lemons. This is a great recipe to make, especially when entertaining. They're delicious, make a great presentation, plus they're super easy to make. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!